Hi everyone, welcome back to Hill Homes. Today we are at Terra Grande by El Deco Sirmor, the most lavish estate villas near Kasoli. So today we have Abhishek from Terra Grande with us. So Abhishek, can you please help us understand the project?
Absolutely, ma'am. Let's begin. Looking towards this beautiful scenery, हम सभी गेस्ट को अपने सैम्पल विला तक इस कार्ट पे ले जाते हैं. It helps me, explain to the guest about कितना कुछ हो रहा है इस प्रोजेक्ट के लिए. I think it's totally amazing. I think this is the first project in Himachal जहाँ पे बिल्डर ने अंदर ही एक फ्लाईओवर बनाया हुआ है on the mountain. I think this happened for the first time. Really amazing. So all villas have their own private driveways. जैसे ड्राइव इन विलास हैं, अपने अपनी गाड़ी लेके यू पार्क राइट नेक्स्ट टू द एंट्री डोर. इट्स रियली कंफर्टेबल. सो द रिटेनिंग वॉल्स आर 8 to 10 मीटर हाई. इसी माउंटेन के स्टोन को अपसाइकल करके यहाँ पे यूज किया गया है.
So Abhishek, once I purchase this villa,
Yeah.
what all kind of amenities I can expect from this project?
Sure. So let's understand that you now own a villa in Terra Grande with its own private heated pool, a beautiful private lawn area. You also have access to our 20,000 square foot large clubhouse. It has everything that you'd expect from any good society worthy of HNI. It's a big infinity pool, heated again, a library, a lounge area, outdoor play area. There's going to be daily needs shop as well near the clubhouse. There's going to be an on-call doctor available sitting in the clinic that we have right in the same area where the daily needs shops are. And apart from all these, there is a helipad that already exists right behind this mountain. So families with the right connections could perhaps arrange a private charter, an air ambulance if required. There is, of course, a restaurant inside the clubhouse. The entire estate is surrounded by reserve forest. You have some beautiful, beautiful camping sites, some natural soft hiking tours. So it's a really gentle and nice family space in the hills.
So Abhishek, what kind of capital appreciation and rentals I can expect from this kind of property?
So this area has already attracted bigger brands that cater to HNIs. Something like, so we have two properties of Taj in the vicinity, one ITC story. I know a lot of other private players are continuously scouting for land over here. इस वजह से हर रोज the capital appreciation is booming. The costs are rising every day. As far as rentals are concerned, this has a completely different route from Delhi via Kalam, via the Nahan Road. So आप बिना ज़िरकपुर कसौली के जाम में फंसे आप यहाँ पहुँच जाते हैं. It takes as much as time, equal amount of time. So same amount of time, reserve forest all around you, beautiful scenery, private heated pool. Doesn't get better than this. So I guess pretty damn good rentals.
तो अभिषेक, लास्ट मंथ से हम न्यूज़ में काफ़ी कुछ देख रहे हैं कि हिमाचल में काफ़ी सारी लैंडस्लाइड्स हो रही हैं,
Yeah.
रास्ते ब्लॉक हो रहे हैं. तो हाउ इट इज़ जस्टिफाई टू बाय अ प्रॉपर्टी इन हिमाचल एंड हाउ इट इज़ सेफ आल्सो?
So yeah, you're right. A lot has happened in Himachal in the past 30 days. But let's try to understand कि ये उन regions में हुआ है जहाँ यहाँ तो water bodies हैं, rivers are flowing, जो कि हमारे इस region में नहीं है. ना कसौली एरिया में, ना सिरमौर के इस भाग में. That touches the कसौली region.
ओके.
And the other thing is कि इधर इन areas में, especially this particular mountain. So for example, you see this rock, absolutely rock. I'm standing with you on the Terra Grande site, and surface to core ये पूरे mountain पत्थर के बना हुआ है. So hence this is a landslide proof zone. Similarly, सिरमौर के इस इलाके में बहुत ही ज़्यादा हार्ड स्ट्रेटा वाले माउंटेन्स हैं, इधर लैंडस्लाइडिंग नहीं होती है. Yeah.
So Abhishek, what makes Terra Grande truly one of a kind and so special?
Yeah, so let's understand this, that this is nearly 30 acres of land of a rocky mountain, a landslide proof zone जिस पे total 80 units हैं. Every villa has its own private heated pool and a private lawn area as well. They're all duplay. It's an absolutely phenomenal project जहाँ पर all the villas are looking towards a beautiful scenery. They're all built on a south facing plot, wonderful amount of sunlight coming in all of them.
सो अगर आप ऐसी लाइफस्टाइल का हिस्सा बनना चाहते हैं और इस प्रॉपर्टी के बारे में और जानकारी पाना चाहते हैं तो हमें कॉल करिए बिलो मेंशन नंबर पर.